How to move the taskbar icons to the left on Windows 11 is what I'm going to show you in this video. There are two ways to get to the same place, which is either you right click anywhere on your taskbar and this opens up the taskbar settings. You left click that. This opens up your personalization and then taskbar. In order to change the icon's position, you want to go down to taskbar behaviors, click that, open it up, and the first changeable option in the drop-down menu will be taskbar alignment, which is currently on center, and you can click on center and then change it to left, and as you can see, my icons changed to the left. You can revert this, and you can also get there by clicking your Windows Start button, searching for settings. There you go, click the best match, which is settings. Now go to personalization. There you go. Now, as you can see, at the bottom on the right, it says taskbar, which will get you to the same submenu. Go to taskbar behaviors at the bottom, open up the drop-down, go to taskbar alignment, change it from left to center, and you're back to where we started off. That's how to move taskbar icons to the left on Windows 11. If this video helped you out, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.